Welcome back, my dear students of class 10. Students, I am Rajendra Rai, biology teacher and working at the LPM Public School, Gorakhpur, presenting this video for your learning. Dear students, in my previous video, I have discussed about the monohybrid cross that is done by the Mendel, by the pea plant. And little bit I have discussed about the dihybrid cross when taken two characters in the consideration. Dear student, take the example of some animals. Take the example of animal like one dog. One dog is having the coat color of black, and if that is presenting as black dog, that is capital B, and white dog, white coat color dog, that is small b and small b. So these are two colors of the dog. Dear student, during the gametogenesis, the gamete get formed as B and B like this. So these will be the gametes, and when these gametes cross to each other, then what happens? See, this B cross with this B cross with this B, and this B, when it cross with this, that is the third condition, as well as this small b that get crossed with this capital B. So what happened? In F1 generation, all will be hybrid. All will be hybrid of black, because this black color is the dominant color, B and B. And now take the example. In F1, all will be black, hybrid and black. In F2 generation, if take the example like this B and B, then both hybrid, if taken, then the gametogenesis as capital B, small b, capital B, small b, then what happens? See the cross in between them. This will cross with this, and three conditions are there, and this will cross with this one. So what happened? Capital B, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, and small b, small b. So that result is equate as comparing with the pea plant. So these all will be black. All these will be black. One is pure black, and then hybrid black, and this one will be the white, and the ratio will be the 3:1. That is the phenotype ratio. While genotype ratio, that will be the 1:2:1. So, my dear students, this is the example of the dog, that is an animal. And now come to the next, and that is the explanation of the dihybrid cross. What I have given the task to you, that think about this when taking two characters in the consideration, and now let it explain when taking two characters in the consideration. And when taking two characters in the pea plant by the Mendel, that was called Mendel dihybrid cross. Mendel's dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross. Dear students, during this cross, Mendel taken two characters in the consideration, taken yellow seed yellow and round. Yellow and round as seed and expressed as y and r. And taken green and wrinkled seed, then take the symbol in small y and small r. Now see what happened during the gametogenesis. The gametes, one character of this yellow and one character of this round, that will form a single gamete. Then capital Y, capital R. So one for male and one for female. So capital Y, capital R is a single gamete having two characters, yellow and round. While in this gametogenesis takes place, and this Y and R as the independent gamete having the characters are green and wrinkled. So dear students, see what is going to happen here, that the multiple cross will take place, and when multiple cross will take place, then again what happen in F1 generation? In F1 it will cross with this. Then what will be the result? The result will be the YR. This is a possibility. Take it when it crossed with this. Then what happened again? YR. This is the second possibility. And what happened if it get crossed with this one get crossed with this, then see what happened? YR. Both capital and small, and both characters are here in the F1 generation. Then see if this will be able to cross with this, then what happened? Capital Y, capital R, small y, small r. So dear students, in F1 generation, all are yellow and round. By dominating the character of yellow and round, which is the good character, always every species try to keep the good character so that they can survive for a long time. That is why this yellow and round seed, that is the dominant, and all the seed will be the yellow and round in the F1 generation of all the plants. But now come to the F2 generation. See what happened in the F2 generation. Take the example of the hybrid, that if this one, अगर इसको उठाते हैं, if this one will be here like YR and YR, so what happened? Their gamete will be the free. Their gamete will be free by making how the gametogenesis will take place. Here will be the four conditions. And the conditions will be like this: YR. And among these, if the pairing will be like they are crossing to each other, then the chances of, suppose this is crossing with this is with this, this is with this, then what happens? Y R, and again next condition is that is this one with this Y R. So these three gametes, and when this is crossing with this, then what happens? This Y and R. So these are four types of the gamete, and when they cross to each other, similarly here the formation of four types of the gamete will be there, like YR, and YR. So again the cross will be taken place, and which results there will be the, you can understand the result of this F2 generation in F2. So what happens in F2 generation, that you will understand in a square, and that is called Punnett square. So now come to the result which is coming into F2 generation, and that can be expressed in a square, that is called Punnett square. And you will see the dramatic result, that is the dramatic ratio in between them. You have looked here that all the gametes of the hybrid plant will be pure, so that will prove the law of purity, and they will be free to combine to any of the gamete. They are free to combine. That is as the independent assortment. That proves the law of the independent assortment, that they will be free to combine to any of the opposite gamete. Now see the Punnett square, that is having the 4 vertical and 4 horizontal columns, and see what is going to happen here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Come this is vertical, come horizontally. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you take the example of the gametes which produced into the F2 generation, then there are YR, and YR. These are the 4 possibilities of the gametes into the F2 generation. That is for one male and female also. YR, this YR, this Y and R, and that Y and R. Now they will cross to each other. What happens? See, YR, with this YR, with this YR, with this YR and YR. Now come to this one, YR, come to this YR and YR. Come to this one, YR. Come to this segment, YR, and YR. This one, YR and YR. Come to this one, that is YR and YR. Again come to the last segment, last column of the segments, that is the YR. This one, that is YR. This with this, that is YR and small y, small r, and that is with this completely, it gets completely segregated as small y, small r, small y, small r. So that is, this is the one, and in this column, this recessive character gets segregated apart from other segregation like this one. But in this, the dominant phenotypic ratio, that will be the 9:3:3:1. 9 will be the pure. 9 will have the purity. While 3 that will be the hybrid, and 1 that will be the again pure. So this is the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio that is found in this, in F2 generation. So when taking the dihybrid cross, this is the F2 generation. This is the F2 generation, which expressing the presence of the different types of the progenies in these 16 square boxes, and this is called Punnett square. Dear students, Mendel explained the result by assuming that the round and LO characters are dominant. Mendel assumed that these characters are dominant because that is the thing, that is because of the natural selection. The theory of the natural selection says that every species always try to produce themselves in a better way, with the better characters, so that they can survive for a long time. So Mendel only presumed, but later on it is confirmed with the selection of natural selection theory of the evolution. Dear students, probability in the of the F2 genotype and phenotype dihybrid, that is 9:3:3:3. 9, this 9 out of 16, this 3 out of 16, this 3 out of 16, this 1 out of 16. So this is the phenotypic ratio, and this all they were the round LO. They will be the round LO. They will be the round green. They will be the round green, and they will be, lastly will be the wrinkled and green. Wrinkled and yellow. Round yellow 9, 3 are round and green, and 3 are wrinkled and yellow, and 1 is green and yellow. So this is the wrinkled yellow, round yellow, R yellow, R white, round yellow, and this is the green wrinkled. So these are the ratios which found by the Mendel dihybrid cross experiment. And my dear students, you will be able to understand in the next video about the role of the genes, role of the factors in all these happenings, all these type of the experiments that was observed by the Mendel as a factor, and later on it has the name of the factor that is given as gene. So the expression of gene in the form of trait, that you will understand in the next video. My dear student, if you like this video, make a like. If you dislike this video, dislike it, and put your comment in the comment box also as question, so that I can answer it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.